Hello. In this video, we are going to show you how you can install real-time Android chat app. First, you need to go to this website and scroll down to the download link and download. It will download the zip file. We need to extract it. Delete the zip file. Then we need to open command prompt or terminal in the extracted folder. Then run the command, npm update. This will install all the required modules. Then run npm install -g no daemon. This will install a package that automatically restarts the server if there is any change in the file, no need to restart manually. Then run no daemon server.js. Then you need to get your IPv4 address. So open another tab in your terminal. And run ifconfig. If you are on Windows or Linux, run ipconfig/all. This is your IP address after inet. Copy this. In the extracted folder, go inside modules folder and open globals.js file and paste your IP address here. Just need to change the IP address, not port number. So the server is set. Now we need to install the Android application. So in your Android phone, download the zip file as well. Go to this website and go to search and search for Android chat app. Open this and download. After download, extract. And you need to install this APK. If it gives this warning, then click More Details. And then install anyway. Once install, open it. Here you need to enter your full server URL. Now your application will work fine. All the data will be saved in your Mongo DB. You can check from your MongoDB compass. Database name will be Chat App Demo. And all your uploaded files will be saved inside Uploads folder.